Bright, the co-founder of Generation 3D. Generation 3D is an architecture company that specializes in large format. That's about 3D printing. We create architectural installations, features, and projects. So for us, large format is really the future of our business, and when we see the future of our industry. We partnered with Caracal obviously because we really like the technology. Obviously that's a given, but as a company we like the fact that Caracal had a pulse in delivering projects and as a producer of large format. And this is good. We feel that experience is going to be able to help us in adopting the technology. Over the next 12 months, we have a huge backlog of projects from ceiling sculptures all feature, all sculpture, if you like. This design by a very famous South American architect. What I hope for the hard future is it can make us a lot less reliant as an industry on imports. I think there's a huge amount of talent in the Northeast, huge amount of experience when it comes to groundbreaking projects, and bringing technologies like large format additive to the region will make us less reliant on importing from Asia knowledge from Europe, and I think to help the other construction architecture ecosystem